myself S.C. Pandey from Taiboard Public School, Surajgarh. As I have delivered different lectures in the human physiology of class 12 RBSc in the chapter 27 as sensory organ of human, the sense organ of humans as human eye. Today the important topic is eyes glands, their functions and biochemistry of hearing. Here biochemistry of the sight means the sight, seeing. So the first topic is eyes glands. There are 3 eyes glands in the human eyes. 3 प्रकार की आइज ग्लैंड्स में सबसे पहले हम चर्चा करेंगे मीबोमियल ग्लैंड आइज ग्लैंड्स एज फर्स्ट आइज ग्लैंड इज मीबोमियल ग्लैंड. Meibomian glands generally present at corner of eyelid. Meibomian glands generally makes moist the cornea. So main function is makes moist the cornea as important function and it present at the corner of eyelid. Here this is the first important point present at corner of eyelid. And second important point is that it makes moist the cornea part of eye. Meibomian glands are very important because it makes the moist cornea part, and third important function is makes easy to move eyelid up and down. This is meibomian glands which are present at the corner of eyelids. It makes moist the cornea and it makes easy the movement of eyelid up and down. Another important eye gland is called as Mohs gland. Mohs glands are present generally at the base of eyelash follicle in the eyelid. Another important function of Mohs gland is it moist the cornea and eyelash both. Mohs gland present at the base of eyelash in the eyelid, which makes moist condition of cornea as eyelash. Third important gland is lacrimal gland. Lacrimal gland, also called as tears gland, here lacrimal glands mostly present in the corner of upper eyelid, near the nictitating membrane. Tear glands are three in numbers. Tear glands, it is salty fluid which kills the germs or mosquito due to presence of lysozyme in it. Lysozyme present in the tears. Another important function is tears wash the eye, cornea, eyelid and other part too. So these are the eye gland, but where these glands situated may be seen by the help of structure of human eye. This is the structure of human eye as having the upper and lower eyelid, presence of the pupil and iris part, which has generally black color, a part of choroid. The other part is called as cornea. As the eyelid contain eyelash, which has given in the diagram, these are eyelash present in the upper and lower eyelid. Here has given this is the eyelash present in the lower eyelid. presence of the tear gland at the corner of eyelid near the nictitating membrane, which has a type of secretion which makes the moist condition of cornea as well as eyelid also. Presence of the Mohs gland in the upper eyelid, which makes the secretion in the follicle part of the eyelash and makes moist the eyelash also. Presence of meibomian gland also at the corner of eyelid, which makes moist condition of the cornea. These are the meibomian glands which secretion reaches in the cornea. Like the tear gland makes the secretion of tears, so these are the tear gland which is present at the corner of upper eyelid as shown here. It is lower eyelid. Eyelid contain the eyelashes. Eyelashes has the follicles. In the follicle of eyelashes, generally the Mohs gland present at the corner in the eyelid, which secretion reaches in the follicle of eyelashes. Presence of the special type of gland here called as meibomian gland. This meibomian gland which makes moist the cornea part. This is the cornea part of human eye, which is generally whitish color in eye. And a part of sclera. This part is core white, generally black color in eye. This is the choroid part as choroid, which makes the iris of choroid, which is black color in eye. And in the center, presence of a pore, which is called as pupil, by which the eye generally has a pore by which light rays enters in the lens. So cornea as the part of iris, cornea part of iris, here cornea part of sclera. Sclera means outermost layer of eye, and iris part of choroid, which is black color in eyes. Like cornea which is whitish color in eyes. कॉर्निया को इसीलिए स्वच्छ मंडल कहते हैं. whitish color, large part of eye, but in the center around the pupil black color part is called as iris, which is part of choroid. So iris of choroid, which is black color in eye, and cornea of sclera, whitish color in eyes, and presence of a pore, which is called as pupil. So pupil is the aperture in the human eye. So this is the diagram for the eyes gland. Different types of eyes glands has shown in human eye by the help of small explanation, small notes here. As eyes gland are of three types. Total of eyes glands are of three types, including the first one, meibomian gland, which present at the corner of eyelids. Meibomian glands present at the corner of eyelids. Here, this is the corner of eyelids, meibomian glands, and main function is it makes moist the cornea. Other function is makes easy to move eyelid up and down. So these are the meibomian glands in human eye. Next one, Mohs gland, which is present at the base of eyelash, as here shown. This is the eyelash and base is called as follicle. So the present at the base of eyelash and generally secretes their secretion in follicles in the eyelids. Here, follicle in the eyelash part. Follicles plural, eyelashes plural. And important function of Mohs gland, which is present here, given as the green color. It moists the cornea and eyelash both. Here, it moists the cornea as well as eyelash both. Another important eye gland is lacrimal gland, which is also called as tear gland. These are present at the corner in the upper eyelids, 3 in numbers, which is given as red color here. These tear glands are called as lacrimal glands, which mainly present at the corners or upper eyelids near the nictitating membrane. Here, this is the nictitating membrane. Nictitating membrane, also named as plica semilunaris. It is also called as plica semilunaris. So, lacrimal glands are 3 in numbers and it is salty fluids, means alkaline in nature, which main function is it kills the germs and mosquito due to presence of a type of chemical called lysozyme in it. Tears wash the eye, cornea, eyelid and other spot also. So these are the important discussion about the eyes glands, and here eyes glands in human eye has shown like the tears gland present at the corner of the upper eyelids near the nitty membrane. Next one, meibomian glands which also present at the corner of eyelid, and the Mohs gland present at the corner of eyelids generally secrete the secretion in the follicle part of eyelashes. So these are the discussion about the eyes glands in human. As I have discussed about the eyes glands and their functions. Now I will discuss about the biochemistry of the sight, means the total changes occur in the pigments during the bright light when falls on the eye, and different types of pigment formation occur during this. After the changes, one condition arises: breaking of the pigments, formation of retinine, which is derivative of vitamin A. That is why sometimes retinine formation is not sufficient. So in the dark condition, means in the evening time, scotopsin and retinine not combine to form the rhodopsin pigment. That is why a person is in the condition of the night blindness, जिसे रतौंधी कहते हैं, डार्क में दिखाई कम पड़ता है। इसका मुख्य कारण है रेटिनिन में विटामिन ए की कमी, रेटिनिन का कम बनना। इसलिए स्कोटॉप्सिन और रेटिनिन आपस में नहीं जुड़ते हैं, रोडोप्सिन नहीं बनता, कम दिखाई देता है। आइए हम बताते हैं किस प्रकार से इसकी देखने की जो बायोकेमिस्ट्री है वह पिगमेंट के आधार पर कैसी है। तो यहां पर आपको बताएंगे हम बायोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ साइट, मीन्स टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट। or change of pigment nature in light or dark. This is the important point, biochemistry of sight. Sight means to see the object. Here, sometimes it is assumed that bright light occur on the human eye. So, human eye has the one layer that is called as retina. Retina layer has two types of cell. One is called as rod cell, another is called as cone cell. Rod cell generally sensitive for light, and cone cell sensitive for color. Cone cell sensitive for color. rod cell which contain a pigment called rhodopsin. This rhodopsin pigment present in the rod cell which is sensitive for light. As the in light changes occur, this rhodopsin changes into the lumirhodopsin. This lumirhodopsin again changes into the metarhodopsin. This metarhodopsin then has broken in the light into the scotopsin, which is protein nature. Scotopsin is a protein, and retinine is the derivative of vitamin A. It is derivative of vitamin A, but in the dark, means in the evening time, the scotopsin and retinine again combine. Here in the dark or in the evening time, scotopsin and retinine both combine and again form the rhodopsin. Hence, the object visible clearly. Object visible clearly. In this way, in light or in the daytime, generally the biochemistry is to change the rhodopsin into different form. As first of all, a change occur in which the rod cell, which generally has the rhodopsin pigment, this rhodopsin pigment changes into the lumirhodopsin in the light, which changes into the metarhodopsin, and later on metarhodopsin has broken into two parts. One is a type of protein called scotopsin, and another is a type of derivative of vitamin A called retinine. These scotopsin and retinine combined in the dark or in the evening again makes the rhodopsin pigment. Here, in the case of a condition when the vitamin A deficiency occur, means when vitamin A deficiency occur, deficiency means less amount of vitamin A taken in the food, then night blindness occur. Night blindness means a type of condition in which the person cannot see clearly in the evening. So, person cannot see clearly the object in the evening time, called as night blindness. Night blindness is due to the deficiency of vitamin A. In the case night blindness occur. This is very important point. So, vitamin A, if taken sufficient by taking the green vegetables, milk, germinating seeds of cereals, and different types of others like the taking fish and the livers of the goat. It increases the amount of vitamin A, and which derivative is retinine in the rod cell, as retinine a part of rhodopsin, because a protein is scotopsin and retinine when combined it makes rhodopsin agar. This rhodopsin sensitive for light. Here cone cell sensitive for colors, as cone cells are present less in the number in the retina. Total rod cell about 115 millions in the retina, but the cone cell is 16.5 millions only. So cone cell is less than the rod cell. Cone cell sensitive for color. As for important three colors, primary colors, as for red color, as the cone cell sensitive for different color. For red color, a type of pigment called as erythrolyte. For green color, the pigment present in the cone cell called chlorolite. For the blue color in the cone cell called cyanolite. So these are the pigment for different color in the cone cell. As the pigment erythrolyte for red color, chlorolite for green color, cyanolite for blue color in the cone cell. As cone cell which are sensitive for color in the retina layer. So retina layer in the human eye, which has about 115 millions rod cell and 16.5 millions cone cells. Both cells are sensitive for different types of nature, like rod cell sensitive for light. Light means dim light. Rod cell sensitive for the dim light. Here dim light means the dim light case rod cell becomes sensitive, but rod cell contain rhodopsin pigment. In light or daytime, this rhodopsin pigment has changes into the lumirhodopsin. Later on, lumirhodopsin changes into metarhodopsin, and in the light it breaks into the scotopsin, a type of protein, and retinine, derivative of vitamin A. In the dark time, the scotopsin and retinine combine again makes rhodopsin, then the object visible clearly. So in the dark, the combination of scotopsin and retinine take place in the synthesis of rhodopsin pigment. But in the case when vitamin A deficiency occur, then night blindness occur. Here night blindness occur. This night blindness a type of defect in the human eye, which occur due to deficiency of vitamin A. It means person cannot see clearly, or the person cannot see clearly the object in the evening time in the case of night blindness. That is why the name has given as night blindness for this type of defect, this type of deficiency disease which occur due to the deficiency of vitamin A. So person must take the vitamin A. I have discussed already, which is present in the green leafy vegetable, milk, germinating cereals, etc. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Super Classes. Thanks very much.